Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Minecraft with commands. First, open your chat window by pressing the T key or the right arrow on your D-pad. This is where you'll input all your commands. We'll be focusing on the /XP command, which is your key to gaining experience quickly. We'll aim for the maximum possible level, which is 2,147,483,647. The core of this process is the /XP command. The basic syntax is /XP add player amount. To grant levels directly, you must add an L after the amount. For example, /XP add at S100L will give you 100 levels. You can target yourself using @s or specify another player's username if you're on a server. This command is incredibly versatile for quick leveling. To reach the absolute maximum level instantly, you'll use a specific command. /XP add at S2,147,483,647L. This large number represents the highest possible integer value in a 32-bit system, which Minecraft uses for experience. Before executing, make sure cheats are enabled in your world settings. Otherwise, the command won't work. While reaching max level is fun, there are a few things to keep in mind. Extremely high experience levels can sometimes cause minor performance issues on older or less powerful systems due to the game tracking so much data. Also, remember that dying will cause you to lose some of your hard-earned experience. This command is best used for creative builds, testing enchantments, or just for fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.